Today we'll be making Christmas special vegan plum cake. So let's get started. For this recipe, we would need 250 grams of wheat flour, 2 tablespoons of baking powder and half a tablespoon of baking soda mixed together, 100 grams of jaggery powder, 100 ml of any plant-based milk, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, 50 grams of dried plums, 50 grams of dried cranberries, a few walnuts, 2 fresh plums cut into slices, some nutmeg and cloves. First, in a medium-sized bowl, we'll mix together the flour and baking soda and baking powder mix. Once done, in a separate bowl, we'll mix vanilla extract, oil, almond milk and jaggery and mix it well to ensure there are no lumps in the mixture. Now we'll prep the dry fruit by cutting the plums and cranberries into smaller pieces and grinding the cloves, nutmeg and walnuts to a coarse mix. Now in batches, we'll mix the flour into the wet mix, gradually adding the dry fruits in between. Just make sure not to beat this mixture too hard, otherwise your cake will come out flat. Now in already prepped cake pans, we'll line the plum slices and on top of it, we'll pour this mixture, tap it down and place it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius for about 50 to 55 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. Once the cake has cooled down, turn it upside down and carefully remove the butter paper. Enjoy and Merry Christmas to you and your family from all of us.